So how do we factor this polynomial? By the mean of grouping. So factoring by grouping is a method used to factor polynomials with 4 or more terms like this. Okay? By grouping terms in pair and factoring out a common binomial factor. So this is pair and this is pair. This has common binomial factor and this also has common binomial factor. So meaning we can use grouping. Okay, so let's begin. So first we need to group this polynomial. So this is our first group and this is our second group. Now we need to factor out common binomial factor. Okay, if this is x cubed and this if this is 1 and this is 3, their common binomial factor is 1, so meaning 1. Okay, and then parentheses. Okay, we put the common binomial factor outside the parentheses. So we have our variable x here, x cubed and x squared. Whenever we have a variable with the same base, okay, we just get its lowest exponent. In this case is 2, so meaning our common factor is x squared. Now we divide, okay, to get its remaining or to get the value of the parentheses. So x squared, x cubed divided by x squared, that is x plus 3x squared divided by x squared. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. X squared divided by x squared is 1, or disregard. Okay, so meaning this is our binomial factor. Okay, so my bad. So first write a parenthesis. The common factor of 2 and x, 2 and 6 is 2. Okay, and since there is no other variable here other than x, our common binomial factor is 2. Now let's divide. 2x divided by 2, that is x, since we gotta cancel the 2. Okay, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, and this is our this the polynomial after we get its common binomial factor. Okay, notice that these are the same. Okay, and whenever we have the same on, okay, let's write this first. So whenever we have a same factor in this two term, okay, what would we do? Okay, we put it on the other side of the parentheses like this. Okay, our common factor is x plus 2, and this remaining is added. Okay, so another parenthesis, x squared plus 2, and this is the same for this rule, since AB plus AC is equal to A times B plus C. Our common factor is, in this case, our common factor is x plus 3, so we put it on the first term, first parentheses, then the remaining B and C, or x squared plus B, is put in the second parenthesis. So if we check if our answer is correct, we can just multiply it. Okay, so x squared times x, that is x cubed, x times 2, that is positive 2x, positive 3 times x squared, that is positive 3x squared, positive 3 plus positive 2, that is positive 6. So rearrange, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 6. So these are the same, meaning this is the factor of this polynomial using grouping. So let's try another example. Okay, let's have x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 6. Okay, so first group, so x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 6. Okay, then what do we do next? We factor out the common binomial factor. Okay, so this is 1 x cubed and x squared, that would be x squared. X cubed divided by x squared, that is x, and 2x squared divided by x squared, that is 2, plus the common binomial factor of 3x and 6. Okay, that is 3. Okay, since we just need to get the factor or common factor of the coefficient, since there is no variable on 6, so 3x divided by 3, cancel 3, and we get x plus 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Okay, these two are similar, we put it on the first parenthesis, and x squared plus 3 on the second parenthesis. So this is our factor, or these are these are the factor of x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 6. So if you want to check, we can by solving or by multiplying. So x times x squared, that is x cubed, x times positive 3x, that is positive 3x, positive 2 times x squared, that is positive 2x squared, positive 2 plus positive 3, that is positive 6. Okay, so rearrange, we will have the same polynomial. So therefore this is our factor.